Actually po, I graduated Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management
Oh,
at Palawan
yes.
State University.
Wow.
So we studied about tourism and
Mm-mm.
also different destinations in the world, not only in
Mm-mm.
the world but also first of all
Mm-mm.
local, yung
Mm-mm.
sa mismong lugar namin dito sa Palawan. So I was born and raised here sa Palawan. So
Mm-mm.
when I studied Bachelor of Science in Tourism, nakita ko po yung opportunity to create a travel and tours agency. And after
Mm.
I graduated, so nag-work muna ako sa ibang companies and
Yes.
after that po ay in-execute ko na po agad yung pag-create ng travel and tours agency. As time goes by po, for almost 3 to 4 years na po ang travel books.
Wow.
So it is a DOT accredited travel and tours agency. We offer specifically Palawan tour packages po. And at the
Mm-mm.
same time, we are looking forward to offer also international tour packages and national tour packages, which is, I mean, outside Palawan.
Opo.
So, travel books, yun po yung history ng travel books.
Very nice. Thank you for sharing, JP. Tsaka importante doon sa sinabi ni JP na DOT accredited po sila. Kaya sinashoutout po namin kasi JP marami lagi nagtatanong. Siyempre pag may pinifeature po tayo dito, ang audience po natin, viewers and listeners, nagiging interesado at nagbubook para safe po tayo. We want to emphasize na ang travel books ay DOT accredited. Di ba?
So right now, we are just preparing for the bigger part. So we are just starting, and also we would like to thank the Lord because we already started. Actually, it's not easy to build your own travel and tours agency. Ang dami mong kailangan i-consider and ang dami mong pagdadaanan. But by God's grace, we are here and we are looking forward to be a world-class travel and tours agency, which is the Travel Books. So I would
Ayan.
like to say
Oo.
thank you po, Tito
Mm-mm.
Awel, for allowing us to promote also not only the destination but also our company, which is Travel Books. We offer on our end sa travel box, we offer different kinds of packages. Meron tayong package A, package B, and package C. So we welcome all the travelers kung ano po yung gusto nila. Kung ang traveler ba ay practical, kung ang traveler ba ay able, kung ang traveler ba ay money is not an issue. So kung gusto niya resort, kung gusto niya hotel, we will do that. Kung si Traveler B, gusto niya, basta okay yung comfortable kami sa accommodation, gusto namin hotel, and may ganitong mga inclusion sa hotel. So, we arrange that. And the last part is the normal travelers, kung gusto nila na makatipid, we also curate that package for them. So nakadepende yan. Depende sa kanila kung ano talagang gusto nila. Kung ito bang traveler na to, gusto niya makatipid kami kahit anong klaseng accommodation yan, basta makakatulog kami, yung mura lang, we will do that for them. So hindi naman po talaga definitely yung mga travel agency ay mahal. Let us cut that statement. So all
Ayun.
they need to do is to ask the travel agency kung sino mang travel agency yung gusto nilang ipa-curate ng kanilang travel. And then, we will do that for them. So, excuse me, medyo na-overwhelm ako. I am so excited and I'm so privileged today to offer to you our tour packages. So, all you need to do, guys, sa lahat po ng mga nanonood, is to visit our page, which is Travel Books. So our logo is like a paper plane logo, and at the same time we have a background of color golden yellow. So that's our page. Almost 6.7 followers na po kami so far right now. So we are growing and we are looking forward to a much better services na may offer po sa inyong lahat. If you want to book your Palawan tours, just message Travel Books and we will here to assist you. So like what I've said earlier, kung kayo ay practical traveler, kung backpackers kayo, kung high-end travelers kayo, kung world-class travelers kayo, just let us know. And then we will curate that package for you. And you will experience the beauty of Palawan, the wonders of Palawan. Ang dami pong magagandang destinations dito actually. Hindi lang po El Nido, hindi lang Coron. Ang dami-dami po, sobra. So I am inviting all of you to visit Palawan. And if you are looking for a well-trusted travel and tours agency, just reach out to us. Travel Books. Doon din po yung aming contact number and email address. You can email us or you can contact us. You can call us or send us a message. And at the same time, if you want to contact directly to me, just message JP Daco. So ang aking profile picture is yung naka-cream ako na coat and white po yung loob na long sleeve. So that's me. And para maiwasan lang natin yung mga scammers kasi ang daming mga gumagaya-gaya ng Facebook pages around. So ang followers ko po ay nasa 15,000 followers na po tayo. So yun po yung legit and official po na mga social media accounts po namin if you want to book with us.
Okay.
So thank you so much po.
Thank you very much. Ayan, si JP Daco ng Travel Books. Maraming salamat for sharing your tour packages with us na legit.